Hi, and welcome to Little Bits Honeybee YouTube channel. I'm Skinny Bee Man. Today we're installing packages in mating boxes. As you can see, we got bees and bees and bees and more bees. And show you if you're installing a bunch of packages. David at Barnyard Bee showed the trick when you're installing packages with hanging a mated queen up. She's right here, over here. She's got a few bees on her. I don't use the queen like that, a mated queen out. I use the queen pheromone. I want to show you a queen pheromone that strip that I've got on a limb over here, collecting the stragglers. Pretty well working on it. It's only been out about 20 minutes. But for the people that want to know how to install a package, I'll show. I'm doing these in starter hives, but it'd be the same thing if you do them in your hive. So I'll shut this off and get it ready. Okay, what we got here, like I say, these are mating boxes, but you do your hive the same way. We got a frame of honey in there on each side for them, frame of drone. If you're putting them in another hive, maybe you're a newbie and you only got starter strips, you would just put 4 frames of starter strip, because you need to leave one frame out to put your queen in between if they're 3-hole cages. I'm going to get this down on the ground here. See if you can see what I'm doing here on the ground. See this is where you can see a package. Wrong way. There you go. Okay, this gives us a place to work. Alright, this is a squirt bottle with just 1-to-1 sugar water. Just squirt a little bit on them. This just keeps them from flying up while you're putting them in there and they come out of their box, because they're all going to orientate. You're going to have bees everywhere. Some are going to be stronger than others. Some ain't. What I'm doing, some ain't going to hardly have any. I'll have to readjust them next day or two. Just squirt a little bit of sugar water on them. And you pry your lid off, turn it upside down, get a hold of your can. You have this ready to put back on top. Pull your can out, pull your queen out, put your cover back on. Now, here's the queen. Check, make sure she's alive. Now there's a cork end right there. It doesn't have any candy in it. You don't want to pull that one. Here's the candy end right here. You reach in there and pull that cork out. That way they'll chew and release her easy. The way I do it, down here, especially for mating boxes, I just lay the queen up on the box. I've already sugared that package. You just bump them down like that and shake them in there. Beat them down again. could put a shaking box on there, but these are mating boxes. They're not hives. They'll find a home. I'm not too worried about them. And then you just take the empty cage and set it down in front of it. Pick your queen up. I just put her, slide her down in between the frame. Pinch her over. Here I just kind of rake a few bees over, get them back in there a little bit. Let's say they'll end up someplace. And I just put my lid down on them. Where the feeder's at? This box didn't have a feeder in it? I guess it didn't have a feeder in it. I'm supposed to have these already. I guess that didn't have a feeder in it. And that's all there is to installing the package. So you can either let them release the queen. If you're in a hurry, you come back in a couple days and queen out there, and then you can direct release her in the hive. It'll be just fine. Not a hole. It doesn't take any. Go over and get that. Where's that shim at? Just still in the lid. Let me have the shim. Put the shim on. No, this is already done that one. This is one that's done. Okay. Right there. Put it up there. If you enjoy the videos, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and the bell next to it to make sure you get notified when I put new videos out. I'll just show you what this is. We'll walk down here and look at this. Sorry about the camera work. We're starting to get a little swarm here. We'll just take her up, give her another queen, and load another mating box up. Thanks for watching.